In this lecture, you will understand in detail about coordinate system in construction. You will understand about concept of 2D coordinate system. Then you will understand how a 2D coordinate system converts in 3D coordinate system, which is also called an isometric view. Then you will sketch a cube in isometric freehand, and I will again teach you how to sketch a house in the same cube in isometric view. In fifth section of this lecture, you will understand or how you can find the direction of north, south, east and west. And at the end, you will understand the path of the sun during the winter and summer and the length of the days in summer and winter. You are looking at a picture of 2D coordinate system which you probably have learnt in second or third standard maths in your childhood. This is a key concept for making drawings. Keep on watching as I will give you complete detail. Now understand that this is the top view. The top view, all types of drawings and all types of view will be discussed later on. There are two planes, one is x plane and the other is y plane. Both are crossing each other at a degree of 90 degree. Where both planes intersect, the cross sectional point has a value of 0, 0. The value increases in positive if we go from 0 to right, on 0 to right towards x axis, and it also increases if from 0 to y axis the value goes. A quadrant one has positive values for x and y axis. You can find out the values for other quadrants also. So, if each axis makes 90 degree with each other as a circle complete, the total angle will be 360 degree. Now you will understand how a 2D coordinate system converts in north, east, south and west, and how different directions are. How different directions can be found out. Y axis, top and bottom, and there it is, north on positive y side and south on negative y side. Then horizontal line crosses intersection point. East is on the right side, which is positive x, which has a positive value from 0, and west is on the negative x side from 0, 0 point. Another axis crosses both of these, x plane and y plane, which is called z axis. All of these makes 90 degree with each other at crossing point. Now northeast direction is like this. It is exactly at 45 degree east and north. Southwest direction is like this, which is towards negative z axis, exactly 45 degree, and northwest direction is towards this side, opposite to northeast and southwest direction, exactly 90 degree northwest direction is making, and southeast direction is opposite. Now you will know how to sketch an isometric cube in a free hand, means without using a ruler. Let's start. What you will do, you will draw a horizontal line. It's not. Then you will draw a cross sectional line, which is a vertical line, and you will make 4 90 degree angles. Now you will draw a small arc and distribute that arc 90 degree in 30 degree. Now that 30 degree angle symmetry on x, positive x axis and negative x axis, is the basic of isometric system. Now you will draw parallel lines to make a cube like this, and like this. The height shall be the same. Watch it closely. Then you will draw cross lines parallel to that 30 degree like this. Watch very closely and try to practice. Now we will draw a house on a cube which is already made in isometric view. How you remember how you draw this cube? Now what we will do, we will make a line parallel to those 30 degree lines. How? We will take a center line like this. Then we will draw parallel line to that 30 degree line in symmetry on x side and negative x side with the same height. What we will do then? We will draw another line parallel to the top lines. Then we will draw diagonals, angles like this and like this, then like this. The back end diagonal is missing, so what we will do, we will draw the same parallel line, okay, like this, parallel to z axis, and then again to 30 degree like this. This is the point, and you will draw another diagonal like this. You can use thicker lines to identify the house dimensions. Practice it and practice it. The apparent path of the sun through the sky can easily be observed. Every day the sun rises in the east, reaches its highest point in the noon, and sets in the west. In reality, it is the rotation of the earth around its axis which is responsible for these observations. Let us place ourselves at north now. In the winter, the day is shortened. It is only of 8 hours. Watch closely. The shadows in the winter are at their maximum. Again, before summer, the day is of 12 hours. Then the path of the sun grows longer in the summer. Like this. The shadows in the summer are at their shortest.